I have this conflicted sense of victory right now because on one hand I did actually finish reading a book, but on the other hand, not only was it not on that TBR list that I posted recently, it's not even one of the tangible books which getting through was the whole point of starting this YouTube channel. But a book is a book, so I'm going to do my best to talk about it anyway. The book in question, which is on my e-reader, is A Fatal Waltz by Tasha Alexander. Sorry, that's really glary. It's the third book in her Lady Emily series, which is a mystery series set in the 1890s about this aristocratic woman called Lady Emily, who goes around solving mysteries and getting into adventures and all that good stuff that happens in the mystery genre. I feel almost as if I can't really talk so much about the plot because this is the third book in the series, and there are things that happen in it which are the result of things that happened in the first two books. So, since half of the fun and most of the point of the mystery genre is not knowing what happened or who did what, I'm not going to spoil it for anyone. Instead, I'm going to talk about one of the things that I really like about the series, which is Tasha Alexander's characterization of Lady Emily. One of the things I really appreciated about this character was that although she is a modern woman in that she believes that men and women should be treated equally, that women should have access to as much education as they want, and should be active participants in the political process, which are all good things that one wants to see in, female characters, she doesn't feel like a modern woman who was just transplanted into the 1890s. She's very much a woman of her time period in that she struggles with her beliefs and with the fact that most people don't share them. Her mother is a very traditional figure who believes that all a woman needs to be happy is a rich husband. So I really appreciated the fact that Tasha Alexander includes this struggle to reconcile her beliefs, and makes it very apparent that, she's not just someone who could be alive today who happens to be alive in the 1890s. She's very much a woman of her time, and I enjoyed that. And besides, she's a very smart person, and she's a fun character to read. These are fun books. They're not particularly challenging or difficult to read. They're, it's crappy weather out today. I don't feel like going out, so instead I'm going to kill some time with a good book. They're very much a series that you read for pleasure, and I recommend them wholeheartedly.